Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. Today I have a little bit of a different kind of video. I was asked to review a product that someone sent to me, so that's what I'm doing. It was sent in this really nice little box, and it's items for junk journaling. And the number on here is BSPP501 paper and stickers. Made in China, unfortunately. I like to support US, but I can't always do that. So I will put a picture here of the actual product on my order from Amazon. That's where I got this. And it's only $13.99 for all these things. You get a nice little glue tape. Don't know how it works. I haven't used it yet. And I like the little collage items close to my heart. Just had a stamp of the month that was a collage type stamp, and I really enjoyed working with that. So this looks like it'll be fun as well. So let's open it up and see what comes in it. The packaging is standard. It's typical of what you get in any kind of packaging, right? So these are pretty thin. But that's okay, because, you know, junk journaling, you put a lot of papers in it and flips and folds and all kinds of things. So you need the paper to be thin or your junk journal would be expansive. And for card making, it's fine as well. I could use these on cards and for scrapbook tuck spots. I don't normally use this kind of thing, but maybe having these would urge me to use them. I do like this one with the dates, and it looks like you get 2 of each. They're very cute. I think it looks like a piece of burnt, torn, ripped paper. That one's pretty thick. I was thinking it might have been 2. It is 2. Okay, there you go. So you got 2 of them. So yeah, it looks like you get 2 of each. This one's got a date on it, September. And a little clip. I love these little pieces of ephemera. I believe I still have vintage photos to do, and the longer it takes me to do them, the more vintage they are, right? Very, very cool. There is a lot packed into this package. Holy moly. Little paper clip. Very nice. I really, really like this. Oh, I like the butterfly one. And they have different selections of colors, packages for what they offer, and some are less expensive than others. This one was the $13.99 for everything. Cod liver oil. Oh. Yeah, that brings back memories. Little washi tape. There's some more butterflies. And a mushroom. That'd be good for a gnome page. I like that one too. All right, so there was a lot tucked into that package. I'm not sure if it says on here. 100 pieces. All right, I can't wait to see what's in this one. But this is looks like acetate stickers. Let's go ahead and open it and see. They're clear stickers. Usually not a fan of them. But you know what they're good for is for laying over photos so that you can see through the photos. And it looks like these are also 2 of each. Oh, love those roses. And you're probably getting some glare, but can't be avoided. A lily. Oh, sunflower. These are really nice. Don't think they can be scratched off. Nope, they're right into the plastic. Daffodils. All the yellow. Yellow is my favorite color, so that fit perfect. Very nice. Now it'd be hard to use them, like, for instance, these pieces that don't have an area where you can put glue to attach. So it would have to be glue on the whole piece, or maybe, oh, I don't know, tuck it into something or lay a piece of paper over it with a journaling spot maybe to hide the adhesive. Always ways to put it on. Just have to be creative. And this is a big package. Looks like there's several little packages inside. And this is Cottage Garden, 60 pieces. Another Cottage Garden, 60 pieces. And another one that's 60. And another one. Looks like these are all 60 pieces. Different colors and textured papers. We'll open one of them. And I want to open the one with the flowers. Yeah, we'll do the flowers. So I want to give a good, honest review for the lovely person who asked me to review these. So these are very thin paper. Just, they're not cardstock weight. They're very thin, so they won't take up a lot of space in your junk journaling. And it looks like you also get 2 of each of these. And what's nice about this is they're all the same size, so you could do a layout to make a border. I'm always good with borders because they're all the same size. You don't have to worry about precise cutting, because I always cut. My cuts are not always precise, I have to admit it. I try, but you know, it just happens. Oh, I like that one. I do like this blue. Very pretty designs. Oh, look at the pink daisies. These would be good for tags. They're all the same size. You could just snip a little corner off, punch a hole, and you've got tags. And again, these are all the same size. It looks like all the designs are different too. A lot. Oh, I like that one. A lot of flower paper. 60 pieces in each little package. All right. Well, thank you to the person who asked me to review this, and I really like this package. I think it will be very useful in my scrapbooking, and if I ever do junk journaling, it would be good. Those, I have tried to do junk journaling, but I just never seem to finish them. So I try to skip to my scrapbooking. I'm far enough behind on that that I need to concentrate on those. And these are all the same sizes. So you have the variety of papers in the same sizes. So like I said, making a border around a page with all the squares would be really nice. Let's see what size they are. It looks like they are 2.5-inch squares. So it's a pretty good variety of little papers. All right, so if you're interested in something like this, I will have the link in the video description below. So check it out. Thank you.